Once again, welcome back to CMG-MathSpace. If you are here on the channel new, we are treating algebraic expressions at the moment on factorization, and we have done the first method of factorizing with something called by common factor. Now the second one, that's the type 2, we are dealing with a method of grouping. Right. Now, I recommend that you watch the recent 2 episodes covering factorization methods by using common factors. Right. Now, if you are here on this channel, we do core math for SHS students and then elective math, which will be on its way very soon. So here, if you have understood the type 1, then we are good to do this particular one. Now here we are grouping by method. So yes, now an expression may be reorganized if the terms can be arranged in groups which have common compound factors. The other one was a common factor. Now we are talking about common compound factors. Such expressions usually have 4 terms. We know what the terms are when it comes to binomials. So binomial has 2 terms, so 4, you know what it is. Now, so the general method used to factorize such expressions is to group the first 2 terms and then the last 2 terms separately. Now, for starters, I recommend that you write these points down. Right? The first one is that we group the expressions into what? 2. Right? The first 2 terms, 1 bracket, and then the other one, another bracket. Now, but for caution or for the record, when you understand whatever I'm going to teach you with the concepts, right? In practice, you wouldn't need your notes, right? Some people can capture on a fly as we teach on the board. They grasp it. Some will also have to go and do notes or maybe take time for assimilation. So whatever I'm writing here, I'm saying here, usually onset of these lectures or lessons, I've told you that writing notes is not of any priority if you understand what I'm teaching. But for this one, because we're doing more of this, so you can write it down. Then with time, you can discard them, right? The reason why I'm saying this is that when I go ahead, I'll come back to come and say something about these particular points. So that's why I'm saying it. So it's not for any reason. Now, so the first, you group them into 2 terms, and then the last two terms separately. So that is it. Now, next one,